guys, it's me, Carlise. This is my phone now. It's not Carlise. He's my brother, and I hope you like this video. But I gotta show you something quick, quick. So I have a slime. It's right. Where is it? I made too much slimes. Oh, here it is. I have to go outside with it because let's go. I'm putting on my slippers. I can't go outside with my slippers. My teeth white. Hi, Buffy. Outside is pretty cool. So, look at the slime. Look at that bubble. So, guys, I just whistled. Yo! Look at that. Look at the activator. It's literally came out of the slime in this. Wait, is that my father? I'm supposed to be inside the house right now. Yes. Okay. Comment down below if you ever made slime without glue. I used mine without glue and activate, and it turned out well. So, bye!